Did you know that millionaires possess secret steps to success that they are unwilling to share with the world? Less than 1% of individuals in the world hold over 50% of the global wealth. What if I told you that today, we are going to reveal these hidden strategies, enabling you to unlock your true potential and achieve the financial abundance you desire? Welcome to Wisdosphere, the channel where personal and professional development merge. I'm your host, and today, we are going deep into the secrets that millionaires don't want you to know. Buckle up, because this is going to change the way you perceive success. Step 1, a millionaire mindset. The first secret step to success that millionaires possess is a millionaire mindset. Millionaires understand that success starts with the right mindset. They have trained their minds to think abundantly, embrace failure as a stepping stone, and manifest their desires into reality. We will explore proven techniques to develop a millionaire mindset, including visualization, affirmations, and gratitude. Step 2, smart money management. The second secret step to success is smart money management. Millionaires know that money is a tool, and they make it work for them. We will dive into the art of budgeting, investing wisely, and creating multiple streams of income. Discover how millionaires make every dollar count and leverage their assets to create long-term wealth. Step 3, networking and mentors. The third secret step to success reveals the power of networking and mentors. Millionaires surround themselves with like-minded individuals who challenge and inspire them. We will discuss how to build a network of influential contacts and find mentors who can guide you on the path to success. Learn the secrets of effective networking and leverage the wisdom of those who have already achieved what you aspire to. Step 4, continuous learning. The fourth secret step to success is a commitment to continuous learning. Millionaires never stop investing in their knowledge and personal growth. We will explore effective strategies for self-education, staying up to date with industry trends, and embracing lifelong learning. Discover how adopting a growth mindset can help you thrive in a rapidly evolving world. Step 5, taking calculated risks. The fifth and final secret step to success is the willingness to take calculated risks. Millionaires understand that great rewards come with a certain degree of risk-taking. We will delve into the art of evaluating risks, overcoming fear, and making informed decisions. Unleash your potential by learning how to embrace calculated risks and turn them into life-changing opportunities. Congratulations! You have just uncovered the 5 secret steps that millionaires don't want you to know. Now that you are equipped with this valuable knowledge, it's time to apply it in your own life. Remember, success is within your reach, and Wisdosphere is here to guide you every step of the way. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join our community for more life-transforming content. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep striving for greatness. Finally, don't forget to visit our channel, Wisdosphere, for more incredible content on personal and professional development in English.